Do you think I added enough colors?
Do you feel like that whole thing's gonna turn black now?
No. Oh, I got glue in my hair. It had so much potential. Kind of like me.
That's a nice face.
Thanks. Hey guys, it's Wengie and Elmers glue hugs. So anyways, today I decided why not, let's mix all my glue together to make slime. I've got all these different types of Elmer's glue I've collected, tried to find an occasion to actually use them, and I'm like, why not just mix them all together? I wonder what it'll look like. So I've got like glitter glue, and also I found these like cute little glue pens. Glitter. Yep, we're gonna add these in too. Let's go. Alright, what are we gonna start with? Let's add the opaque glue in. This is really heavy, guys. I'm like having trouble holding this up. I gotta go to the gym. I feel like that's a good amount. So let's start adding the glitter. What color are we gonna start with? So much to choose from. I'm so excited. I'm gonna add one of these little pen things in first. Oh, that's so cute. I'm actually really excited about these pen glues now. I'm just gonna draw little like cute shapes. This one can be a star.
The first one looks like an angry happy man.
So I have a red. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna draw with the red? I'm pretty obvious.
Blood.
What? What am I drawing? What am I drawing?
A heart.
Yeah. I'm creative like that, you know? I have green now. What can I draw with green? Like the first thing I thought of was a Christmas tree, but it ain't Christmas right now. What else is green? A regular tree. You know what? This is feeling like a 4-leaf clover moment. Yeah, that's cute. I'm super proud of my penmanship right now. Okay, we have the last little pen. This is so fun. We have yellow, gold, / yellow, gold. What's yellow, gold? Yellow, gold, You know what I haven't drawn? My favorite thing in the whole wide world. Oh no, it's got a mustache. It's not a party hat, guys. It's a unicorn horn. It's a uni kitty. It needs a nose. Oh no! I ruined it. It was going so well. All right, now we're gonna move on to these big glues. Yes! Let's add the purple. You know what? This is actually one of my favorite colors. Hello, glitter goodness. Should I add more? I'm kind of appreciating this right now. Is there a point of adding clear in? Yeah, why not? Let's go with it. Hey, we have even more on this side. Okay. Let's keep you there. Pink! Comment down below which color is your favorite right now. The pink is just so pretty. Okay, there's some nice, boring silver. Oh, look. Ooh. Oh, that's actually so pretty. I thought the silver would be boring, but it's actually super pretty. All right, silver, you got me. Let's add some gold. Ooh, yes. And then in the middle, we're gonna add black, like my soul. There we go.
Do you feel like that whole thing's gonna turn black now?
No.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it might turn black, I don't know. Look guys, it's so pretty. I actually don't even want to mix this right now. It's very satisfying looking at this without having to mix it. Do you think I added enough colors? Alright guys, so these are the colors in the ball. Let me know down below in the comments right now what you think the color is gonna be. And after I finish mixing this, we're gonna see if you're right or I'm right. I'm guessing it's gonna be brown. It's always brown, guys. Every time I do all these like mixing things, it's brown. Alright, let's get mixing. I'm gonna try and make it oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at this marble. This is like slime art, guys. This should be a thing. Can we like not mix the slime? Because this is like so pretty. There comes a point where it's like the land of no return with the colors and it just... Bye. Yeah, I think I put too much black, guys. I think the black is taking over. But you know what? It is not going brown. It's actually going gray. Oh, you know what? This is such a pretty color. All right, let's add some activator and slam this up. Gross. It had so much potential. Kind of like me. Aww. I'm going to add more purple. I want to make this prettier. No, didn't make a difference. Oh, I got glue in my hair. Casualties. Always casualties. I've added like half a model and it's not activating.
That's a nice face.
Thanks.
That looks activated, somewhat.
Let's go slam. You can do it. Let's go arms. You can do it. I'm tired. Oh, you know what? Yes! I think we're there. You know, I'm just gonna get in with my hands. My shoulders are hurting. Can I phone a friend? You know what? We are cleaning the bowl. We are being responsible citizens. You know, I think it is activated. I just needed to Knead it in. Haha, I needed to knead it in, get it? Comedian. At this point, do you think I over-activated it?
It looks good to me.
It looks good.
Just gonna get it off your hands.
You know what? Not bad. Not bad at all. It's off my hands. So this is the color. It's actually a really pretty gunmetal gray or like a light blue. I'm actually appreciating this right now. It's time to make a poop. Okay, ready? It's stuck to my hand. I can't take it out without ruining it. I can't take it out without ruining the slime.
Exposed. Slime cringe.
Alright, next one. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. This is heavier than I thought. We are doing the clear glue now. So let's pop some clear glue in. Why am I so weak? So we're gonna go with a super clear glue. So let's add my favorite color in again. Some purple. Time for the blue. These are like my favorite unicorn colors. Come on guys. I feel like I should just leave it like this. Oh my god, the pink one looks like a jelly bean. Oh my god, look at it what it looks like from the bottom. Look. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna ruin the unicorn goodness. Alright, yellow. It's your time to shine. Yellow is not so bad. I don't want to add this. The red just doesn't go with the other colors. Final color is in. You know what? Should we add some pens in? Maybe like some blue. Do a little slime art thing here. Then I'm gonna add maybe some silver. Just like a tiny bit. Alright guys. Yeah, I think we good. Oh my gosh guys. Is it just me or does it look edible? It kind of looks really yummy right now. Candy slime. Alright guys, what color do you think this lot will turn into? It's a hard one. Light purple. Bam. That's what I think. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna use the back of the spoon actually because I want to like do some slime art again. Let's do a little swirly swirls. Ooh, it's so pretty. All right, let's just mix it. Come on, purple. We want you to be light purple. Brown. This is the one time, I guess brown last time. And it was light purple last time. And now I guess light purple is brown. Okay, well, we're not winning any color psychic awards today. I hope you guys had a better time guessing the two colors. Just don't guess what I guess. That's the lesson of the day. I'm adulting right now. I know how to wipe the spoon. Activator time. Oh my god, I almost like sprayed the activator in my face. I was like, not a good idea. Okay, let's mix it. Ew. You know what this looks like? Like bad jello. The color is actually quite pretty. Like it's kind of like a nice beige. Give me all the activator. Yep. Time for our hands. Still quite sticky. I'm so sad whenever you mix clear glue, it doesn't stay clear. And then you have to wait 3 days for it to clear up. And I'm like not that patient, guys. Not that patient at all. Yeah. This is good. You know what? I'm not gonna clean up. Let's just live a little today, guys. We're living a little. We're not cleaning up. Ow, my nail.
This is classy.
It's not my day, guys. I've mixed slime. My arms are tired. My brain is empty. We're almost there. I should just like name this video Slime Cringe. How many people have I triggered by now? I feel like it's adding up. I got slime in my hair. Can you see it? Can you see it? Get it off.
I don't see it.
See my hair? Get it off.
There's nothing there.
This is what I call natural slime. It's the color of nature. Nice and organic. We got an overactivated slime right here. Okay, time to poop. Yay, we did it! Alright guys, this is the end result of mixing all my slimes into my clear slime. I think this is a really pretty color. I've never made a color like this. It's like a light pastel beige pink. I'm really appreciating it. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.